Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to extract alphabets, even capital letters, small letters, numbers from this messy data in Power Query. Now how am I going to do that? So you need to load this data into Power Query. Just go to data tab and here we have from table and range. So it will load your data in Power Query. So I am cutting this. Now what you need to do, I am going to add a custom column here. So I am clicking here add column and custom column. Now in first instance I am going to extract my capital letters only from this messy data. So let's say I am writing my column name as capital letters. Now whenever you are extracting anything, so it means you are selecting that thing. Let's say if I'm talking about the first instance, I need to select this C. If I'm going to copy this C to another location, so I need to select this. So here we have a function called Text.select, and Power Query is case sensitive. You will see the intelligence of Power Query is very bad. Now what you need to do, you need to select here text as nullable text. So nullable means it can load blank data also. So here we have data, just click here. Now it is asking me please select characters which you want to select. Now I'm going to put that thing in list. So here we have capital A and dot dot capital Z. Now why I have put double dot here, so it will generate a list from A to Z. Now I need to simply close the curly bracket and close the parentheses. Now you will see this messy data will extract all the capital letters into new column, and you will see okay, and here we have two capital letters C and S. Now let's say if you want to extract the small letters, so how you can do that? Simply I am going to add one more custom column here, custom column. So this time I am going to take the small letters. Now I am going to do the same thing, Text.select. I need to remove this once again. Here we have text as nullable text is data, comma, select characters. Again I'm going to use the curly bracket and I'm going to type the small a, dot dot Z. This example is very same as with the earlier one. Instead we are typing small a to Z. Now click OK, and you will see it has extracted capital and small. Now what if I am going to extract both the alphabets and I want the result here? Let's say I want letters only. Here we can say it as text. Now I'm going to use Text.select once again, Text.select. Now here is your text as nullable text data, comma, again I am doing starting with curly brackets. So here I am going to type a, dot dot Z. Now if you want to extract the small alphabet, what I will do, I will simply put comma, and again I am doing the same thing, small a, dot dot, in double quotes I need to put small z, curly bracket close the parentheses, and OK. Now you will see this time it has extracted capitals and small letter. Now instead of text select, here we have one more function in Power Query, that is text remove. If I will select text remove, then what it will do, so it will remove this text and extract the remaining one. So let's say I am going to use text remove. Now I am going to add one more custom column here. So let's say I am removing my alphabet and remove alphabet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use text.remove here it is. I need to remove this once again, and you will see the arguments of text remove is as same as with text.select. So text as nullable text, I am going to select my data, comma, remove characters. Let's say I want to remove both the thing, capital A, and I need to put that thing in list, dot dot z, comma, small a, dot dot z. Now curly bracket close the parentheses, and okay. So what it has done, it has removed the alphabets, all alphabet it has removed. Now it has taken only the remaining one. Now what if I want to extract numbers, alphabets? So what I will do, I will simply add one more custom column. So alphabets and numbers. We can use text.select, and here we have text.select. Now this time we need to put three things, open parentheses, here we have text as nullable text data, comma. Now again I am using curly bracket. So first I am typing the capital list, big A, dot dot z, comma, here we need to put double quotes once again, small a, dot dot double quotes z. Now we need to put the numbers in double quotes also. So here I am going to start with the 0, dot dot, in double quotes I am writing 9, curly bracket close, and close the parentheses, and okay. Now you will see it has extracted all the alphabets, numbers, and small alphabet, big alphabet. So how you can deal with the messy data, these kind of thing, text.select and text.remove can help you. So keep enjoying and keep learning. See you in next video.